Hey guys, so here's a quick video about GainBNB, which is launched 5 days ago. So this project has launched November 25, and I covered my first few minutes after registering into the system. So you can see here I have 9 total team that joined me once the referral link became available, and I'm very proud that our team is one of the top 5 who registered early on this smart contract. So you can see here I was able to make my very first withdrawal right after my registration. So here's the proof of the very fast withdrawals, and you can see that I have previous balance of 30 something BNB. Okay, and there you go. So this is the confirmation of my very first withdrawal, and if you click on the wallet, you can see that I have now $60.57 worth of BNB. So this is my very first withdrawal I have made a few minutes after my registration. So you can see here the details. One thing I'm very proud of is that I am also connected with the developer of this project, and he's very legit. Okay, this project will stay, and I really love smart contract, guys. So this is one proof that we are one of the top 5 who early registered into the system before the referral links went live on the public group or the GainBNB official group. So you can see here that they're still waiting for the countdown, but our team is already registered into the system. So that's one big privilege of being part of this team, okay, which I'm very proud of. And you can also see on WhatsApp group, there's also GainBNB leaders who are still waiting for the referral links before it went live. We saw that I have already made my very first withdrawals. So those people on my team who joined me, congratulations guys, because you positioned yourself on top of this matrix. And we all know that we can earn every transactions of the people who are joining the system from 30 uplines and 20 downlines, which is the global single leg of this project, which is very huge advantage for us. You can see here after a few minutes members are now 30. Okay, and yeah, here's the live proof. All right, so this is just few minutes after the launch, and let's see if I can withdraw again. All right, so you can see I have 9 total team and total investment, so 1.95 BNB. Okay, I bought 4 packages. We only have 5 packages here, you can see that, and we will only buy one time and we can earn lifetime. All right, so just like I've said, once this smart contract, a verified smart contract was launched, even the developer of this cannot stop it. Okay, this is very legit, guys, and great source for us to collect lots of BNB for long-term passive income. Okay, so you can see the downline members here, the list of downline members. So we are earning up to 20 downlines. All right, this is non-stop, guys, you can see that. And also my sponsor list here, so we will have 30 uplines. Okay, as long as people are coming into the system and sharing their packages or buying their packages, we will earn for every transactions that have made by those people joining the system, guys. Regardless if he's on your team or not, we can still earn, because this is also about first come first serve basis. If you join the system, like today, it's just the 5th day and there's only 100+ members so far. So if you position yourself now, soon, this is just getting started, guys, so you will automatically get your 30 uplines and 20 downlines, which will contribute you to have your percentage of earnings from all of those amounts that they will contribute into the system. So this is crowdfunding, guys. This is one single matrix, and everyone who joins the system will definitely earn. Okay, so now it's 39 members as of this while recording this video. Okay, same day, guys, of its launch. So you can see the progress here. I still have 9 members, and yeah, so once you activate your packages, you will start to collect BNB depending on the people that coming in. Okay, so it's also important that you position yourselves early. You can see I have available 0.02 BNB again available to withdraw. And keep in mind, guys, once you're withdrawing or making any transactions, we are sharing profits to everyone of our team, okay, for 30 uplines and 20 downlines. So you're so lucky if you're on an active team, and of course you position yourself early. You will then start to collect BNB as long as GainBNB is here. So just like I've said, this is smart contract, this is verified smart contract, this will stay, and we can once we started to earn money, okay, once we started to earn or collect BNB, no one can stop you from collecting BNB. So yeah, just do your part to share this opportunity, because yeah, recently there are lots of scams, especially those investment platforms. So instead of putting their money from those scam platforms or investment platforms, why not putting into this kind of smart contract? So you can see same day, guys, I am collecting money or BNB. All right, so I just activated up to 4th package. I only need one more, which is the highest one, and I'm planning to activate that because that's only one-time activation. All right, so you can see here we have now 84. All right, so yeah, and I think this is just the same day, guys, and I have now 12 total team, and you can see that I have available BNB again. So this is non-stop collecting BNB, guys. All right, there you go. I have 0.1 available to withdraw again. So this is really huge, guys. Smart contracts is the best way to generate money. All right, now I can withdraw this and see how fast the withdrawal is. And this is good news, guys. Every time you make a withdrawals, we are contributing or giving profits to everyone on our team. Okay, so let's see here. I've got 92.76 now, and again, this is the same day, guys, after the launch. All right, so you can see the live all right, there you go. You can see that my earnings is now 0.002 and still continuously getting BNB or yeah, it's like raining BNB on this platform. So there's also an advantage if you're on an active team, because yeah, your upline will give you earnings as well as your downlines will give you earnings to your upline. So it's a win-win situation, guys. Okay, so maybe later I will show you the PDF presentation of this project. And yeah, that's all I have, guys. So this is GainBNB. This is too early. You can still join the system and you will still be part of the pioneers of this project. So this is a long-term passive income, and this is smart contract, guys. And we all know BNB is going to explode really soon. So it's a perfect time to start collecting BNB now. And let's see, before the bull run, maybe what happened to Ethereum might happen to BNB as well. So it's better to collect BNB now and start keeping or holding your BNB until it explode its value really soon. All right, so that's all I have for you guys. Stay in my channel, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and yeah, hit the little bell icon there so you won't miss any updates and opportunities like this. So again, thank you so much for watching. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye bye.